Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing CoinMarketCap. A lot of time people don't really know how to make use of CoinMarketCap, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know: how to get your contract address, how to check crypto information on CoinMarketCap, how to do a lot of things. You get each of these icon bars here have what they represent, and I'm gonna show you in this particular video. Right now, this is the first time you're coming to this channel or you've not subscribed, please do well to support this channel by giving it a subscribe. All you need to do is you go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. You search for CoinMarketCap, that is if you don't have it before. So as you can see, I have already, it says update, but for the sake of this video I wouldn't want to be updating. We'll just have to go direct to the video, right? So this is the looks of the app, right? Okay, so when you get to the app, I hope you can see the market side. So what here is actually telling you is the current price of the market. So as you can see here, it's telling us the price of BTC as of today and how many percent BTC just did. So BTC is 1.86% up for today, right? So here is the news section. Here is where you come to check crypto news, right? And let me say you are okay, this is for all now. So let's just say you are interested in gaming, like in the gaming projects, or in the AI and big data project, in the reward asset and all of that. So each of them that you click, you start to look out for project that you really want to see the news about, right? So here is now the search section, right? And here is where I'm going to show you something. Now here is where you search for tokens, you get. So as you can see, I've searched for Bonk, I've searched for Ethereum rods, I've searched for ABTC, I've searched for a lot of cryptos here. Now what are you going to do here? Sometimes you want to buy a particular coin and you don't even know how to get the contract address of that particular coin. Now you can actually come to your CoinMarketCap, and on this search section, I don't know why this thing is pulling out. On this search section, you can actually click on search, and let's say I'll search for Bonk here. So as you can see, the first one that showed up is Bonk, and this is the current chart of Bonk, right? As you can see it here. Now you can see the market cap of Bonk here, which says Bonk market cap is at 1.9 billion market cap, right? And you can see the fully diluted market cap, the circulation supply, the maximum supply, all-time high, and all of that. Now if you are wanted to, maybe you want to buy this particular coin but you don't really want to buy it on CoinMarketCap, you want to buy it maybe on your Trust wallet or in your Phantom wallet, sorry. So what you will do is that you will need a contract address, which will help you to easily locate it on Juke Market or maybe on your desk screener or wherever. So what you will do is, you can see here overview, you can see community, you can see market, you can see news. You just have to slide it to the left. You can see portfolio, slide it more, you can see about, right? On this about, now you tap on about and you can see contract here. Can you see? This is the contract, where to get the contract address of Bonk right now. So I'll be clicking on this arrow here. Let's get the contract address. So when I tap on the arrow, as you can see, look at contract address for Bonk, for Solana, for Smart Chain, for Ethereum. So you can, this depending on the network you want it to be, again, you can just click on this copy sign and boom, you've copied the contract address, and you can now go to go to any of the platform or the wallet which you want to buy it from, right? So this is actually how to get the contract address, and here now is the social media handle. So if you tap here now, it will redirect us to their Twitter handle where you want to check, maybe you want to know more about that particular project. So let's just go now. You want to know more about the particular project, and this will redirect you to their social handle. Now as you can see, look at here. Okay, let me just follow them here. I'll actually follow them, and you can see how many followers that they have. You can see the engagement and everything that is happening on their Twitter handle, which is their social handle, right? So you can still do same for their Telegram. You can still do for Reddit. You can still do for every other platform here. I hope you can see how actually find out their distance. So if you still want to share with someone, you can click on this share sign. Now you will be able to share. Why is this not highlighting? I don't know why is this not highlighting. Okay, let's just leave it since it's not highlighting, but you can be able to share this particular data. Like you can copy it and send to someone, and they can actually access it whenever they want to access it, right? So when you come to the portfolio side, which is the fourth icon, here is just where you create your portfolio, and you add like tokens, or let me say coins, that like you want to be taking track of, you get. So you can just open here, click on add transaction, maybe select any token. Let me just say like okay, let me add this one. Let me just say something like 3. Say add transaction. So as you can see now, this is now showing as my portfolio, because I added this token. I added BTC, I added like 3 BTC here, and that is why it is showing this particular price you are seeing here. Right now, the community section is here. So this community section is where you come to for insight. Like you come here to read about any project, to see what people insight is about a particular project. Like you see here, this person 21 hours ago, this is 21 hours ago, he is a kind of forecasting on BTC. If we enter a recession like 2008, and every indicator is pointing that way, this coin could wipe out all the gains of the last 6 years, right? So this person now is sharing his own opinion, and here is more like a social aspect of this particular app, where you share your insight. You see where you can retweet, where you can tag, where you can comment, and all of that here. So here is where you come, you share your own insight. You see people sharing their insight about the particular token or any project. Now the diamond sign here is for people that have been claiming diamond on this CoinMarketCap. Yeah, even me, have been claiming diamond, but I wouldn't want to proceed with it here. You can just go ahead. If you are a new beginner, you click here, and you get some diamond maybe after every 24 hours. It's not yet anything, but we are hoping that maybe in future it might be worth something, right? Now if you want to change this, you can see the platform is on light mode. So you can decide to change to dark mode just by clicking on your profile. So this is just your profile. So when you tap on profile, you can see the theme here. So let me just change to dark mode, and I hope you can see it everywhere has been changed to dark mode. So you can still do the same thing. You can still do the same thing for the language side. I hope you can see the language here. So you can choose any of the language of your choice. I have to leave my own in English, And the default currency too, you can decide to change it to any currency of your choice, be it Brazil, be it any other currency you want it to be. So you can decide to change it. If you want it to be in crypto, you can just switch any of them and you are good to go. Right now, I don't know if I'm missing anything, but I think I've showed you the basic thing you need to know, especially how to copy the contract address. This is something that you must understand as long as you are in Web3 and you actually want to buy and sell on your own without needing someone to help you. All you need to do, once you come, you search any project you want to buy here. Let's just use Bonk as a case study, and you do what? You go straight to about. Once you go to about, the next thing you have to do, you come to contract, and you can easily copy your contract address and you are good to go. Right? So if this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.